Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see a very good news guys. Why? Because here the work from home jobs or also online tutoring jobs I am going to show you, and this amount I took from its official website that you can earn $1,500+ per month. Okay, if I take the roughly $1.70, then you will get 1,05,000 rupees per month. And here the huge number of subjects are also there, and heavy laptop requirement are also not necessary here. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for this, if you are having the graduation or else if you are doing the graduation also, then no problem, you can apply for this position guys. Okay, and if your subjects are not there in this notification, or else if you are looking for some other job notifications, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this opportunity. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30. And while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGCNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the opportunity whatever I want to show you guys, and its name is Course Hero. Okay, so you just search this one in the Google guys, so you will get Course Hero. Fine. And while coming to the official website, here I may check down earn money as an online tutor. So leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 10 million students. That means whatever the homework are there, they will just post those questions here and you have to solve out those questions. And how many questions you are solving, those that much amount you are going to get. Okay, and you can make up to $1,500 plus per month. Okay, so represents the monthly earnings to top tier tutors, and actual earnings may vary depending upon the number of questions you answered and the subject category, question difficult, answer quality, and other factors. So based upon all these factors, the amount that you are going to earn will vary. And if you want to apply for this one, you have to click on that one. But before going to that one, I will show you the complete here. As a tutor with Course Hero, you can make extra money and work whenever you want and help students study and learn. So if you want to apply to be as a tutor, so first of all, you have to create a tutor account and select subjects you would like to tutor for, and upload your ID and the academic credentials and get approved and start tutoring. Fine. And examples of tutor answers for these subjects, okay, top subjects you may check down. So nursing and the computer science and statistics and probability. So here I may check down the student question. What is an advantage of arrays over linked list? So the tutor answer and the explanation. So both these two. And I mean it just acts like one model to you guys. Okay, so how the explanation how to be give and how in a simple sentence we can able to explain that one. So you have to elaborate like this. That's it. And a few more frequent asked questions is there. So before going to that one, join us and become our next superhero. So if you click on this one, become a tutor, and then you will be directed to the online application registration guys. So you have to fill up your email address, username, and the password. Fine. Or else you can sign up with the Google or else the Facebook. Okay, so after signing up and then directly sign up as a tutor guys, and then these steps you need to follow. Right. And here one Google form is also there. Okay, I will provide this Google form link in the description box of this video. Okay, if you are feeling difficult in applying the official website of this one, then at least try to apply by this Google form. Okay, so here you may check down. Thank you for your interest in becoming a part of our growing community, and kindly fill out all questions completely and truthfully. We ensure the confidentiality of the information given by the applicants. Fine. And here you may check down the subjects. priority subjects, guys. I mean, other subjects are also there, but these are the priority subjects: statistics and probability, financial accounting, business, computer science, accounting, human resource management, finance, biology, economics, sociology, managerial accounting, and electrical accounting. Okay, other subjects are upon availability. If ever you cannot select your subjects, this is due to the surge in applications in the past weeks. Okay, so reset assured, you may check back by logging into your account. Fine. And how to be a tutor. So here one small video is also there. If you want, you may check down, guys.
To math and everything in between. As a tutor, you can answer questions in your subject expertise and help over 10 million students. It's up to you to decide whether you want to go for regular or more complex questions. No need to worry about compensation, as you'll be paid per question answered instead of per hour. Enjoy the flexibility and freedom to be a tutor on Course Hero whenever and wherever you like. So, you might be asking, how much can you expect? The base rate for questions is $3. But for more difficult questions, there are complexity bonuses. Top-tier tutors can earn around $1,500 per month. Ready to be a tutor? Here are the things you need to know to get started. You must be fluent in written English, and at least a college student with educational documents reflecting subjects chosen. Prepare the following documents and take a clear picture or screenshot. Let's get started. First, go to this link and click Apply Now. Apply only when you have the complete requirements ready. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and to block time for the application, as you may not be able to continue it if you leave the site for some time. Don't use incognito mode, as it could lead to session timeout. Create your tutor account to start your application. You can select up to 15 subjects, but ensure that they are related to your expertise. Certain subjects will require a knowledge quiz in the next step. Fill out the form with your personal information. To prioritize your application and increase your chances of getting approved, put the referral code ACQ. Read Fountain's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then click to agree. Submit your requirements. Lastly, check your email regularly for updates on your application. It will take 1 to 3 business days for us to process your application. It may occasionally take longer when demand is high or during the holidays. For application-related concerns, please contact tutor-applications@coursehero.com. For partnerships or collaborations, please email.
So you may check down, it is a mail ID they provided, guys. Okay, so if you are having any application related questions out there, so here the mail ID is there, you may put a mail to them. So here the full name and email address and all these things are provided, but as per they told that, okay, and after entering all the details, then you have to click on the submit here. Okay, and my suggestion is that you better go to the official website and then click on the apply, because in the video they did not discuss about the Google form and all. Okay, so it is official. After once entering the official website, so click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to the registration. So you just sign up with your Google account or else a Facebook account, and then fill up all the remaining details by choosing your subject. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, we may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.